Bring the dog out here. Dad, did you hear me? I'm not scared of you, you pussy. Gotta make it mad.
You get close to the camera.
No, let's take it. Oh, do it again.
Look at Ernie's gonna fuck with him. Look, she's like, oh yeah? You trying to sneak up on me?
Here.
You videotaping?
Yeah.
They don't have no teeth.
Let me tackle one then.
Don't tackle it. You gotta watch out for them feet.
Why?
They got nails on them.
Should I get it wet?
Yeah. We're like, we're out of here.